All right, this is the Ryobi 40 volt, 20 inch cordless self-propelled mower. It has this nice cover on it. We've had this one for a while, works great. It's rechargeable. So it comes with this cover on it and it folds up real nice so you can actually wheel it out from your shed or your porch or wherever you store it. You wheel it out, pull the cover off, lay it down. Got a couple of clips on here. Slide this guy out. You pull these two guys. Whoop. Just snap these back. Snap it into place. And there you go. Almost ready to roll. We just got to put the battery in. All right, so here's the 40 volt charger for the lawnmower. Here's the charger. It's got a little button you push down on the bottom and it slides out. And it's not too heavy. All right, so the next step is you take the battery and you can see it's got the pins on this side right here. And we put the battery in. It just slides right in here. There's an extra space right here for an extra battery if you want one. And it comes with a key. This is the key for it. You stick that in there. You're ready to go. All right, let's start it up. So the next step is hold this down, press the start button. It fires up, and you can see it's pretty quiet. So this is the self-propelled portion of it right here. You can see it has a speed setting, the self-propelled part of it. And if you let that lever off, it shuts off. But you can change the speed for how fast you want it to go on here. Over here we got the height adjustment on the blader to go 1.5 inches to 4 inches. It's got some instructions for you on here. This type of mower is great for smaller yards, townhomes. When the yard's as long as it is right now, we haven't cut it in a few weeks. Generally one battery will get us through the entire yard, but obviously if the grass is shorter and maintained a little better, the battery will last a little longer. But it's been a great mower for us. We like it. It works great for our townhome. And this is the Ryobi 40 volt, 20 inch cordless self-propelled mower.